Hey guys, welcome to Tiki Talks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize an existing wedding invitation template in Canva.com. So for that, you have to get into Canva.com and search for wedding invitations. You will get a list of templates here, and so from here, I'm going to pick a simple and elegant invitation from this list. It's going to be this one, okay? I've already chosen this one here. So this is the template. So, and this has been designed by Vanilline Graph, and it looks very simple and elegant, okay? So I think this is a better invitation to customize. So I'm going to click on this customize this template button, and I'm going to the edit screen. And I have something in my mind, like I'm going to edit this invitation to fit it for our Indian culture. So usually in India, we have 2 days of celebration, right? On the first day, like we have reception. On the second day, we'll have the Muhurtam thing. So usually we invite people for those two ceremonies, actually. So in invitation, we put all those things together and we'll give it to people. So here, in this invitation, we just have only one date mentioned. So I'm going to edit this date thing, and then I'm going to put 2 days here. Like in the left side, I'm going to put a day where the reception is going to take place, and in the right side, I'm going to put another day where the muhurtam is going to take place. And then I'm going to remove all these addresses because nowadays people are like quite normally using QR codes for the location thing, the invitation, right? So I'm going to generate two QR codes. One is for the venue of the reception, and the another one is for the venue of Muhurtam. What I'm going to do is like I'm going to move this here, and I'm going to move this over here. Perfect. And then I'm going to move this to here, and this one here. Fine. And then the day, better make it Saturday. And this one, I'm going to make it Sunday. June 29 and 30. Yep, fine. So I'm going to put it in the center. And then I'm going to remove all these things. This is not required for us because we're going to use QR code. I'm checking whether the alignment is correct or not. Okay, fine. So I think we have to like change the font. I'm going to use some other font here. It'll look good. Yep, it's great. And I'm going to make this as well. We'll increase the font size because it is not visible. It's hardly visible. Where that went? Yep, it's here. Fine. Maybe like we can move it a bit here. Great. I think we don't have to move that one. This is all right. Okay, so here 29th is going to be the reception and 30th going to be the muhurtam. So on top of the Saturday, I'm going to add an image to uh, let people know that this is going to be a reception on Saturday. So for that, I'm going to use an element from here. Yep, this is the element that I'm going to use. Just shorten it and put it here. Okay, so this is going to be reception on Saturday. And then for Muhurtam, I'm going to use this image. So usually like people in India wear dhoti and sari on the Muhurtam day. I'm going to put it here. Yep, it looks simple and good. So that's fine. So on Saturday, we have reception. On Sunday, we have Muhurtam. So, and then we need to mention the time. Let it be 6 to 10 p.m. And let it be. Let us, we'll put some AM time here, 6 to 7 a.m. 6 to 7 a.m. Okay, it's pretty good. So we added the ceremony and the time here, and then I'm going to add the location as QR code. For that, you have to go to Google Maps and search for a location because I'm going to add Coimbatore as a location and click on the share link. You will get the link, the location's link, and then go to qrcodegenerator.com. Here you have to insert the link. If you insert the link, it will generate an image here. So, and then you download, and we can use the downloaded QR code in our invitation. And I'm gonna upload this QR code here. So I already have few QR codes, and I'm gonna add it here. So this is the venue of reception, and this is going to be the venue of Muhurtam. To download, click on share, download, choose JPG, and click on download. If you are using any premium content, then you have to pay for it. So if you find anything is premium and we have to pay for it, then you can find an alternative image in Google and download a PNG version of it, and then you can use it here. So you will not be charged for it. To download the watermark copy, I can click on these three dots and like click on download a free watermark draft. It's downloaded. See, this is the final design of the invitation. And I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe the channel if you like it.